At first glance, this modest stone building could easily be mistaken for a forgotten structure hidden among the lush hills of Santa Teresa, one of Rio de Janeiro's oldest neighborhoods. But behind these weathered walls lies a remarkable story, one where architecture chooses to preserve history instead of replacing it. A massive stone retaining wall believed to be more than 2 centuries old had quietly supported this hillside for generations. Instead of treating it as an obstacle, the architects embraced it as the heart of the design. The ancient wall became both the physical foundation and the narrative that shaped everything built around it. Designed as a compact sewing studio, the 40-square-meter space reflects the same patience and craftsmanship found in handmade textiles. Every architectural decision respects the history already embedded in the site while introducing contemporary construction techniques with remarkable restraint. One of the project's most meaningful moments is hidden inside. An old fountain, uncovered within the original stone wall, has been carefully restored and illuminated by a skylight above. Natural daylight gently washes over the centuries-old masonry, allowing history to remain an active presence rather than a forgotten artifact. The facade is designed to blur the boundary between the workshop and its surroundings. Large glazed openings invite soft, natural light deep into the interior while capturing carefully framed views of Santa Teresa's historic streets and the mature silk tree that has long been part of the site. Reclaimed wooden doors and window frames were thoughtfully incorporated, allowing the new intervention to carry traces of the place's past without overwhelming its contemporary character. The project's attention to detail extends even beyond the finished building. Rather than discarding the timber boards used to cast the cyclopean concrete panels, the architects gave them a second purpose as corner cladding throughout the studio. It is a subtle gesture, yet one that reflects the project's larger philosophy that every material still has a story worth continuing. Inside, the workshop is simple yet carefully considered. The open layout allows sewing, pattern making, and daily creative work to flow naturally within a bright, calm environment. Cross-ventilation keeps the space comfortable throughout the day, while adjustable track lighting provides flexibility whenever artificial light is needed. More than just a sewing studio, this project demonstrates how architecture can become an act of listening. By preserving traces of the past, embracing material reuse, and responding gently to its surroundings, the building creates a dialogue between memory and innovation. In a city constantly shaped by change, this small intervention reminds us that sometimes the most meaningful architecture is not the one that demands attention, but the one that quietly allows history to continue telling its story.